Namaskar to you all. So this is a batch notification for the next new batch for IAS and OS civil services and also forest service exam. This is a regular batch which is starting from February 8, 2021. That is on Monday at Bhubaneswar Center. So the PDF of this video is available in your description section of this video. You can go through it in details. So what are the main reasons to join Arohan classes? First is personal guidance. Because of our small batch size, each and every student, classroom student, is given personal guidance by the mentors, which may not be possible if the batch size is large. Okay. Then all our courses, integrated batch courses, all the integrated batch courses are till success courses. Means after the completion of the course, you can continue till you crack the exam. So for example, the integrated batch course, one cycle, that is 1 year. After 1 year, if the student gets through the exam in third or fourth chance also, so till that time he or she can continue, okay, in our own classes. You don't have to pay any extra course fee for that, whatever you have paid in the first year itself. Okay. Next, as I told you earlier, small batch size of 20 students per batch to ensure writing skill development, so that you write the answer in the class itself and the faculty will check it there itself. Okay. Exclusive study materials and test series. Most cost effective education. If you see the total course fee of our own classes, including your optionals, it is less than only general studies course fee of most institutes. Excellent previous results which you can see in a YouTube channel. Okay, the mock interviews of various previous toppers. All classes are provided through video as well, so no chance of missing classes. So even for the classroom students, suppose you are ill or you go somewhere and you miss 5-6 days classes, all the classes are recorded. Okay, so you get it on a student's dashboard. So even those classes which you were present in the class, if you want to revise those also, and you will have the videos with you. And the best thing about the videos that we provide is that there are no restrictions on those videos, both for online students and for classroom students also. No restriction means there is no particular validity like 7 days or 10 days or 3 days. Okay, and there is no restriction on number of playbacks also. You can play it as many times. Okay. Another very important facility which our own classes offers, especially for those who are preparing for UPSC, is our special answer writing batch for GS and optional sociology. Why it is special? Because our faculty who is taking that class, he has qualified UPSC 3 times. Okay, UPSC civil service, he has got rank 3 times, and he is taking your general studies answer writing classes and sociology optional answer writing classes. And this is available as a separate course also, but in the integrated classroom batch it is included. Okay, remember that this particular UPSC answer writing batch, it is available only in offline mode. Okay, so the online students, we generally do not record this class. Okay, so it is available only in classroom mode at the Bhubaneswar Center. Then we have study room and library facility also. You can use it from morning 8 to evening. Okay, so this integrated batch in February 2021, February 8. So Cuttack it is starting 10:30 a.m. Okay, and in Bhubaneswar it is starting at 11 a.m. Okay, Cuttack 10:30 a.m., Bhubaneswar 11 a.m. and both classroom and online. Both classroom and online it will be starting. So it will include general studies, optionals and compulsory papers. You have daily tests, descriptive and MCQ tests, and after you finish a chapter there will be some tests. Okay, and module wise tests are also there. Study material, textbooks and test series are included. Okay, 7 days a week classes, and repeaters batch is free of charges till success after 1 year, which I told you in the beginning. Okay, these are the optionals which are being offered at Bhubaneswar Center and also online: geography, political science and international relation, public administration, psychology, sociology, home science, education, agriculture, history and forestry. Okay, these are offered in the Bhubaneswar Center and also online. E-learning batches are also available. Suppose someone is not um, able to come to the classroom batch, then also you can join the online batch. What is the advantage of the online batch? You can study according to your own pace. You need not study according to what time schedule we are giving, which is quite intensive. So you can take small steps and you can make your own program and you can study, because as I told you, all our videos, they are without any restrictions. No restriction on time. That means it will not expire after 10 days, 15 days, 1 year, something. Okay, and number of playbacks also unrestricted. You can see the video as many times as you please. You can study in the safety and security of your home. Same facilities including printed study materials as classroom students. So whatever study materials in book format is given to the classroom students, same study material in book form is given to the e-learning students also, and it is quite cost effective because it is half of the fee of classroom. Now coming to the fees for the different courses. The first is the regular course. Okay, that is the regular classroom course. So general studies, essay and compulsory, 40,000 rupees. Each optional is 25,000. If you're taking all, that is two optionals and essay and compulsory, then it is 80,000 total. If you are paying in lump sum, you can talk with the office, they can give you some waiver. Then the weekend batch is basically Monday to Friday you have your classes online, and Saturday Sunday you come to the class, okay, at Bhubaneswar. So here video of all regular classes Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sunday you come to the classroom. Same study material and test series as for integrated regular batch. So the course fee is for the online batch, that is 40,000, and for this weekend batch it is 50,000. Okay. Online batch is basically, the difference is that in online batch all 7 days you have, okay, online classes. So videos of all regular classes, and Sunday contact classes will be there twice a month, which the dates will be scheduled, will be informed to you in your group. Okay, here also you are getting the same printed study materials and test CDs as it is given to the integrated batch students. Study materials which will provided to you: GS you have 14 books, and optionals 2 books for each optional. And test series in prelims you have 70 tests. Okay, so this test series is different from the daily tests and all. Okay, test series 70 tests, 60 paper 1 and 10 paper 2. Mains for GS and all you have 40. For each optional you have 30. Okay, and daily tests also you are having, objective and subjective. So any doubts, any queries you have, you can WhatsApp me at 9437002210, or you can call Bhubaneswar Center 76840 or you can call Cuttack Center 7325904599. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.